Hey guys, I want to talk to you about working out. Oh man, you guys, stop with protein shakes. You're crushing me. People are like, what do I do without that protein? I'm like, you get kidney stones, kidney issues. Body's not designed for all that methionine and uric acid. I'm just saying. All right, I'm digressing. The point is that our bodies are designed to be moving every day. When people are saying like, oh my God, I hate going to the gym, I'm like, what are you talking about? Take your ass outside then. But it's winter and it's so cold. You just don't feel like working out. Well, you're not. A lot of you are not going crazy. Some of you might have low cortisol all day long, which is close to Addison's. Chronic adrenal wear and tear down, high levels of blood sugar because of stress or the diet, blood sugar dysregulation, glucagon and insulin aren't working in balance, and boop, blood sugar stays up here, has nowhere to go. It's not getting into the cells to be used, so you feel freaking tired. And then you don't want to take your ass to the gym. Just saying. But neither here nor there, you still need to move. Because you're not getting nice, oxygenated, nutrient-dense blood to the cells. So you are compacting the problem. So I don't care if you have to go 12 minutes a day and take some little weights and do some time under tension and breathe and get your posture on point correct with the plumb line, the head, the ear, the shoulders, all the hips, all the way down, then you're going to continue to break down and to catabolize. I'm just saying. Right, guys, working out is important on keto. You have to ramp down your workouts before you ramp them up because it can be a stress response, especially if you guys are running around with high blood pressure, high blood sugar, thyroid conditions, but on the outside, you look fabulous, right? You got the business, everything's on point, correct, but on the inside, your hormones, stress hormones, you've got pregnenolone steal, your cortisol is too high, your reproductive hormones are doing like this, your liver is overworking, which means your kidneys are overworking, your sleep sucks. Can't adapt like that. You must exercise when you are trying to adapt, but then you cannot exercise too much when you're trying to keto adapt. And that's the dichotomy and the contrast and the rock and the hard place way to live in the beginning. You must work out. You must work out to get oxygenated, rich blood supply to the cells and get the heart moving, and also to create nice GLUT4 receptor development. Not just the receptors, but the GLUT4 receptors to come out and uptake glucose. So you can regulate your blood sugar and get glucagon and the old insulin to work together as friends. Yes, that is how, when you turn 50 years of age, you keep your shite together. So if you guys want to learn more, go to stephanieperson.com. You don't have to do keto, but you have to understand blood sugar, y'all. stephanieperson.com, Stephanie the Business Person, my Facebook fan page, Stephanie Ketogenic on my Instagrammy, and I'm out. And I'm going to go home and write this book. I've been writing this keto book because it's time to clear up some of the confusion. And, y'all know that this is what I love. This is what I do. This is my life. This is not a trend for me. I've done it for nearly 10 years. And I'm 50 and I'm not about to stop. So, about to peace out and get my workout on. Peace.